Attention all entrepreneurs. If you're interested in the stock market, finance, and investing, welcome to Trading Learning 101. I've been a YouTuber on YouTube for almost 2 years now. I was able to publish over 300 videos. If you're interested in becoming a day trader, swing trader, long-term investor, tips and tricks about the stock market, day trading strategies, investment strategies, be sure to subscribe to Trading Learning 101, where we all grow as traders. If you're into trading psychology, be sure to check out the psychology playlist, trading strategies straight from my playbook, stock market and investing books. I'm sure if you go through my video library, you will find something that you will learn and enjoy. I'm all about education and helping others on reaching our goal and goals in life. Hard work, dedication, and studying. That's what you'll find at Trading Learning 101. Always growing with knowledge and sharing knowledge with each other. This is the start of something special, and I want you all to be a part of it. So hit that subscribe button, join the community, and like I said, we all grow as traders at Trading Learning 101. This is a welcome video from me to you. Welcome to the channel. Don't be shy, leave comments, your opinions, and as I always say at the end of my videos, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Welcome everybody.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?